to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter, the F-35A Lightning II. The team commander and pilot for today's flight is Captain Melanie Kluesner. Mach comes from a military family, but she was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee. She is a veteran combat fighter pilot with more than 850 hours in fighter jet aircraft. The F-35 you are about to see is a supersonic, 9G capable, multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most advanced avionics system of any fighter aircraft in history. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies anytime, anywhere. While you won't see everything that makes the F-35A Lightning II the most technologically advanced stealth fighter aircraft in the world, you will witness its raw power. As today's flight begins from your left, Captain Kluesner will execute a maximum power takeoff using all 43,000 pounds of thrust being produced by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, lifting the Lightning II off the runway in an amazing 1,500 feet. Then watch as the F-35 performs a half-Cuban 8 at a stunning 50 degrees angle of attack, a first-of-its-kind maneuver unique to the F-35 demo team.
Lightning 1, you're clear for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stand up and get your cameras ready. I present to you the newest 5th generation fighter aircraft in the world, the United States Air Force's F-35A Lightning II.
God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen.
Stealth technology. In order to remain covert, you must maintain a clean profile by carrying your missiles and bombs internally. With an internal payload capacity of over 6,000 pounds, the F-35A is the most lethal multi-role fighter jet in the world. If you ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile into the vertical and completes the lightning loop. And then while under complete control and without thrust vectoring, Captain Kluesner will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II pedal turn.
Till I'm getting done. Gonna push
As the most standing in from the left, ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch.
Turn the microphone over to them. We're looking forward to seeing their display. Of course, we're continuing to monitor the conditions out here. Hopefully they can get in the full show. They may adjust according to the conditions here because when they do their display, you're going to be seeing jets flying all over the place. It's really, really a delight to watch.